Hi guys! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng salpikaw. Bangus salpikaw. Okay? So, actually, salpikaw is usually a beef dish. So, salpikaw is just a stir-fry beef and they usually use beef tenderloin because mas mabilis siyang maluto, mas malambot yung meat nun. Okay? So, salpikaw is a stir-fry beef dish in garlic and napakasimple lang nung mga ingredients na ginagamit sa kanya or pampalasa like Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and pepper and olive oil. That's it. Okay, so for today's video, hindi beef ang gagamitin natin. We will be using bangus. Okay, actually, I don't know, some people probably have done that before. Yung bangus salpikaw na discover lang namin na gawin because of our Tita Nini, shout out. So one time she told her cook na, Yaya Rose, try mong magluto ng bangus salpikaw. Okay, so it worked naman. Okay, just a plain boneless bangus cut into cube, and dun na realize namin na whatever kind of protein you can use naman for a salpikaw. Like, we've done bangus salpikaw, we use Thai fillet kasi mas juicy siya. For pork naman, we suggest you use lomo or the pork tenderloin kasi mabilis ang maluto at malambot. Okay? So, today, sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng bangus salpikaw, which is napakadali, guys. Siguro ang pinaka-komplikado lang na recipe or hindi masyadong familiar sa iba sa inyo or hindi available lagi sa kitchen nyo is yung Worcestershire sauce. But definitely, madali lang siyang maluto. Okay? So sa recipe na ito, we use 500 grams of bangus, 5 tablespoons ng soy sauce, 5 tablespoons ng Worcestershire sauce, half tablespoon ng ground pepper. And that's it. Marinate lang for 30 minutes and we're done. Watch this video until the end and learn how to cook bangus salpikaw. So let's start cooking. Pagkatapos ating maglagay or pagkalagay natin ng olive oil sa mantika, pwede nating ilagay kagad yung garlic habang malamig pa para mas ma-extract natin yung flavor ng garlic dun sa ating oil. Then, let's wait until maging golden brown ito. Hanguin para maging crispy lang siya. We will use this as toppings later after na maluto. Okay. Next will be yung paglalagay ng bangus natin. Habang mainit pa yung oil and yung kawali, make sure na na-strain yung bangus. Kailangan na wala siyang marinade sauce natin or else magiging watery yung ating salpikaw. So i-drain mo muna siya, then you put it sa kawali. And after a few minutes, ilalagay natin yung ating mushroom. Naglalagay ako ng mushroom pala. Additional flavor, at the same time, extender. Pamparami, di ba? Why not? Haluin mo lang siya once in a while hanggang magkaroon ng browning sa bangus mo. Hindi siya pwedeng, o hindi mo siya kailangang prituhin, no? Just a little browning on the side and that's good to go. Kasi malit naman yung pagkakaslice mo sa bangus mo. Then if you see your bangus looks like this na, you're good to go. Then let's start packing. So, this one kasi order lang ito sa atin ng isang kliyente. So, kaya nakalagay siya sa isang container. It looks so simple and easy and masarap. I am 100% sure. And like what I said, yung toasted garlic natin, we'll use that as a topping. Mas masarap yan if you put the garlic while eating. See? Simple. Thanks for watching.